Hello everyone, hope you're all good, hope you're having a lovely Sunday. I just wanted to pop in here today and say I'm really sorry but there is no video from me this week. But I do have good reason, I promise. As you're watching this, I think I will have just landed back at Heathrow and I've been to New York, which is a really weird thing to say because right now, as you can see down here, I'm still packing as I film this. But yeah, I decided to take a week off. I haven't vlogged New York. It feels weird talking about it as if it's already happened. But yeah, I'm not going to vlog. However, I think there will be some short form content over on my TikTok and my Instagram, maybe my YouTube shorts as well. So if you want to see what I've been up to, I'm sure I'll be posting about it for the next week or so, if I've done my job well while I'm out there. Make sure you head over and follow me on all my socials. I'm really looking forward to catching up with you guys again next week, and in next week's video, it's going to be Sunny's birthday. So the birthday vlog is on its way. Very exciting. I can't believe she's going to be 5. It's also the day of the London Marathon as you're watching this. So, woo, go runners. I'll be cheering you on from the tube below the city, getting back to Essex, and I'll probably be very sleep deprived. I hate to disappoint, but sometimes a girl's got to have a holiday. I haven't been on a long haul flight for I think maybe like 10 years, and I haven't been away for more than just a city break weekend in like at least 6 years. So yeah, it's definitely time for a little break. Anyway, have a lovely week next week and I'll see you again next Sunday with Sunny's birthday vlog. Bye guys, love ya.